Non-metal. First, metal, here is the non-metal. Malleable and ductile. I discussed it there. All the metals are malleable and ductile, but non-metal, brittle, not metal, no malleable, not ductile. Second, metal are good conductor of electricity, but non-metal, bad, poor conductor. But one of the exception is there. That exception is the what exception is the graphite. It is made of the carbon, it is the good conductor, but generally all metals are good conductor, but non-metal is the poor conductor of electricity. Third is the shining in character, luster. All metal are the luster, but non-metal, non-luster. But we know is there only one non-metal, that is the iodine is the shining property, and luster, all metal are the shining property. But one question I ask you there, aluminium is a metal, but it look dull. Why? Because this question is asked in the CBSE board. Why aluminium is a metal, but it is a luster, but not luster? Why? Because aluminium react with the oxygen and make one oxide layer. Due to the oxide layer, it is the not shining there, but when we remove the oxide layer, again shining will become, but after few time again they will react with the atmospheric oxygen and again make a layer and make the oxide layer. All the time make the oxide layer. So it will be said there. One more question arises here, why aluminium pot should not be washed with the sand? If we wash with the sand, oxide layer will be gone, shining will become, again make the layer, again we are wash it with the sand, again shining will become, but some of the aluminium will be all the time when wash it there, aluminium oxide will be removed it there. So lastly what you will get is there, aluminium pot has the some of the hole, become the hole is there. That's why aluminium pot should not be washed with the sand. So all pot is shining is there, but non-metal, only iodine is the shining, otherwise non-metal are not shining. Four is there, all metal are the very hard, but one you know is there, sodium and potassium are the soft, sodium and potassium, and non-metal, only one of the non-metal which is very hard, that is the diamond. Diamond, now you see how why diamond is the non-metal, pure non-metal is the carbon. Because when you diamond you burn it there, then what happens, carbon dioxide gas will be liberated there, no residue is left. It proof is there, it is the made of the diamond, made of the carbon, but it is the very hard. Now come chemical property. Metal oxide are, metal react with the oxygen, metal react with the oxygen, they make the metal oxide, metal react with the oxygen, they make the ionic bond, and this is the basic in nature, What is the ionic bond? I discuss later on in the same chapter, but now I say there, and it is a basic in nature, but non-metal oxide are the non-metal oxide acidic in nature, and already I discussed here some metal oxide soluble in water, that is make the alkali. Now come to when metal oxide acidic, metal generally react with the water and acid produce hydrogen gas. Now today I going discuss it there, what metal react with the water to produce the hydrogen gas, water with the steam, just now I discuss. Now I ask you there, when metal react with the any of the water and acid water, then produce hydrogen gas. But now question there, how you will know that this produce gas is the hydrogen gas? For this we take one hot test tube, boiling test tube, and put the glass wood soaked with water, and here we put some of the metal sample, and after that mouth will be closed there by the delivery tube. After that delivery tube passes the delivery tube, now we heat the first soaked with water, glass wood soaked with water, and then we heat to the metal. Then what happens, this of the water evaporated there, steam will be passed. When the steam passes from this metal, then hydrogen gas will come. This hydrogen gas passes from the delivery tube, and when it passes from the delivery tube into the gas jar, then we see this gas, the hydrogen, one gas is coming. But how you will confirm this gas is the hydrogen gas? For this, when you are burning, we bring a burning of the candle near this gas, then what you will see that this gas burn with a pop sound. It proves that this is the hydrogen gas. So we can say that when metal react with the steam, they produce the hydrogen gas. Or when metal react with the HCl, then also produce the hydrogen gas. But in case of the non-metal, never produce the hydrogen gas. So now question, why non-metal not producing there? All the metal, they will, what happens, they donate the electron, but non-metal gain the electron. That's why what happens when non-metal given is there, they will not displace the hydrogen because they will not give the electron. Non-metal has the property. All non-metal always gain the electron, not lost the electron. But metal lost the electron. So metal only produce the hydrogen gas. Non-metal never produce the hydrogen gas. So we can say the chemical property, all metal react with the water and acid produce the hydrogen gas, but non-metal never react with the water and acid because non-metal not produce the hydrogen gas when they will react with the acid and water.